Now students, we will be solving the word problems on multiplication. We have seen the way to how to solve the word problems. Now we will be solving word problems related to multiplication. So we must know some key terms so that we can identify what we have, which operation we have to use. Like if in the question times, each, in all, twice, double, triple, product, like these types of term come, then you can understand that you have to multiply. See, each is given over here. If each book had 329 pages, okay, and then they have told us to find out how many pages were printed, okay, how many pages were printed. So this type of if terms comes, then we can easily identify that we have to find the product. And always whenever we have to find we have to do multiplication, then always we have to find a large number. See here what is given. Question is 7,125 copies of the book Gita were printed last year. Okay, last year how many copies were printed? 7,125 of book Gita. Now they told that if each book had 329 pages, okay, each book contains 329 pages, how many pages were printed? Okay, so we have to find the total number of pages that were printed in 7,125 copies. So that will be a very large number. That's why we don't have to add these numbers. We have to what we have to do, we have to multiply the numbers to find out the total number of pages that were printed last year. Okay, so how we will find out? So first we will write the solution. Okay, you will write the solution over here, then you will write given. Whatever information is given to you, you will write over here. So let us write the given information. This is the given information. So we will write number of copies of book Gita printed. Okay, number of copies printed, this much you can write. You will write over here, and each book had pages equals to 329. We have to find the total number of pages printed. So I have written the given information. You will write given. Now number of copies of the book Gita printed. Don't write this much big sentence, summarize it. Number of copies printed equals to 7,125. Okay, now you will write number of pages in each book. In each book, that means in one book there were 329 pages, so you will write 329. Now you have to find out the total number of pages printed. So which operation you are going to use? You are going to multiply. Okay, so you will multiply the number of copies printed by the number of pages in each book to get the total number of pages in 7,125 books. Okay, so let us multiply over here. So you will multiply, start with 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 over here and 4 will be carried. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 2 we will write under this and 2 will be carried to the next number. Now 9 1s are 9, 10, 11. So 1 will come over here and 1 will be taken as carry. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 1, 64. So you will write 64 over here. Now you can put 0 also, and or you can put a cross. So you will multiply. 2 5s are how much? 10. Okay, you will write 10 over here and 1 will be taken as carry. Okay, now don't add these carry, you can cancel these carries and you will start adding this. 2 2s are 4, 1 5. So you will write over here. 2 1s are 2. You will write under the numbers. Okay, don't write it over here. Okay, you will get confused while adding, so write under the numbers. 2 7s are 14. So you will write 14 over here. Now you can put a 0 or you can put a cross. See, 3 is at 100 place, so we will put 2 zeros. Okay, or you can, if you are getting confused, then you can put a cross to understand it that from where we have to start writing. 3 5s are 15, or you can multiply it like this also. We have studied the properties. 5 3s are 15. Okay, and you will put a carry. Now you can rub this carry and you can put another carry. 5 3s are 15, 5 and carry 1. 3 2s are 6, 1 7, and 3 1s are 3. 3 will come over here. 7 3s are 7 3s are 3 7s are. It is easy to multiply. 7 3s are how much? 21. So you will write over here 21 and you will add all these numbers. So 5 and 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 1 11. Carry 1. Okay. Now 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 1 14. Carry 1. 6 and 4 10 and 3 13 and 1 14. Carry 1. This is 3 and this is 2. So this will be our required number of pages. Okay, you will multiply it like this. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 23,44,125 pages were printed last year. So you will write like this. Thus 23 lakh 44, just write under it, don't write it like this over here. I don't have space, that's why I am writing it over here. Does 23,44,125 pages. See, you have to write the statement after how many pages were printed. Okay, this much statement you have to write. How many? They have asked how many. So this will be our ending statement. There should be an ending statement too. So students, let us see question number 5 of exercise 1. The question is, a factory produces 3,452 toys in a week. How many toys will it produce in 2 years? Okay, now see over here, see it carefully because it is a very important question, that a factory produces this number of toys in a week. Okay, it is given in week. In 1 week the toys produced are 3,452. Now in question what is asked? Okay, how many toys will it produce in 2 years? Okay, it is asked to find out the toys produced in 2 years. So what we have to do, we have to see here it is given toys produced in week, not in years. So you cannot directly multiply 3 4 5 2 by 2. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first convert years into week. Okay, then only you will multiply it by the week. Okay, this thing you have to do, you have to convert, because given information the toys produced are given in week. So whenever we find the solution, we will first convert year into week, then only we can multiply. Okay, so week का week से ही multiply होगा, same we cannot multiply week by years. Okay, so first we will write the given information, number of toys produced in a week, this much. Now 1 year equals to 52 weeks. There are 52 weeks in a year. So 2 years, since there are 2 years, so we will convert it. 2 years equals to 2 into 52. Okay, double off. So we will multiply, we will get 104 weeks. Now 2 years will have 104 weeks. Now we can multiply this by weeks. We have to find that the number of toys produced in weeks. So this is also given in 1 week, and these are the total weeks that we are having in 2 years. So we will multiply. So total toys produced in 2 years, you can write it over here, and you will multiply. Now this multiplication here, there was no space, so I have multiplied it over here. So this multiplication you have to do after this. Okay, now when you multiply, you will start with 4 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 0, carry over 2, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 8 will be written over here, carry 1, 4 3s are 12, 1 13. Now if you will multiply it with 0, what you will get? if any number is multiplied by 0, it gives us 0. We have studied the properties. 0 2s are 0, 0 5s are, we will write 0, 0 4s are 0, and 0 3s are 0. Okay, and what you will do, you will write a cross sign over here. Now you will put 2 cross over here because you have to multiply it by 1, so 2 blank spaces you have to leave. So 2 1s are 2, okay, and 5 1s are 5, 4 and 3. Same number it will give. Now what we will do, we will add all these numbers. So 8 0 and 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 and 2 is 10, carry over 1, 5 6 7 8 1 9, okay, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 3. So which number we have got? 3,59,008. So we will write the ending statement. Thus 3,59,008 toys, okay, right over here, toys it will produced in 2 years. Okay, so this will be the ending statement. There should be given, if you need to convert, then conversion should be there, and then the way of solution, and then there should be an ending statement, and this should also be done in the copy after this. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Now the question number 4 is similar as it is. So in question number 4, what you can do, it is given in days, and then it is asked to find out in months. So you will convert days into, months into days. Okay, you know very well how many days are there in month. 30 days. Okay, so you will convert, okay, into days, and then you will multiply it like this.